Today, I will be showing you how to heal units in 0 AD. Healing is important because it helps keep your army alive and ready for future battles. First, you need to have a temple. From the temple, you can train priests, priestesses, or monks, since these units have healing abilities. To summon one, simply click on the temple and select the unit you want to train. Once trained, these healer units have a limited healing range, meaning they can only heal units within a certain area around them. Make sure your injured units stay close so they can receive healing. By default, healers are set to passive mode, so they may not move with your army. To fix this, select the healer unit and change their stance to stand ground, so they stay with your fleet and continue healing nearby units. And that is how you heal units in 0 AD. Thank you for watching!